When it comes to capturing your travel memories, having the best camera is essential for both quality and convenience. Whether you're an avid traveler or a casual vacationer, having a camera that's portable, durable, and delivers stunning photos is key. The market offers a variety of travel cameras that can meet all your needs, from compact point and shoots to advanced mirrorless models. These cameras are designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, while still offering powerful features like 4K video, fast autofocus, and excellent image stabilization. In this guide, we'll explore the top 6 best travel cameras to help you find the perfect device for your next adventure. Number 1. Duluvulu Travel Camera. Duluvulu 4K digital camera for photography autofocus, 48 megapixel vlogging camera for YouTube with SD card, 2 batteries, 3-inch 180-degree flip screen compact travel camera for teens with 16x zoom, anti-shake, black. This camera delivers high-quality 4K resolution, making it ideal for photography, vlogging, and capturing travel moments. With its 48 megapixel sensor and autofocus technology, it ensures clear, crisp shots every time. The 3-inch flip screen is perfect for vlogging or selfies, while the 16x zoom lets you get up close without losing image quality. Equipped with anti-shake technology, it's perfect for smooth shots on the go. The included SD card and extra batteries make it a great companion for travel or everyday use. Number 2. XNSIAKXA Travel Camera. XNSIAKXA 5K digital camera for photography, 48 megapixel autofocus, vlogging camera with viewfinder and dual camera, 16x digital zoom point, and shoot cameras with 32 gigabyte SD card, 2 batteries. This versatile camera provides stunning 5K resolution, perfect for professional photography and vlogging. With a powerful 48 megapixel sensor and autofocus, it delivers sharp, detailed images every time. The dual camera setup and 16x digital zoom allow for versatile shots, while the viewfinder makes composing shots easier in bright conditions. It's a compact, travel-friendly option that includes a 32 gigabyte SD card and 2 batteries for extended shooting sessions. Whether for daily use or capturing memories on the go, this camera is an excellent choice. Number 3. FJFJOPK Travel Camera. FJFJOPK 4K digital camera for photography, dual 64mm autofocus vlogging camera for YouTube 2.8, screen compact travel camera with 32GB SD card, anti-shake, flash, 16x digital zoom, 2 batteries and charger. Capture stunning 64 megapixel photos with precision and clarity using this powerful camera. Designed for vlogging and photography, it supports 4K video recording to deliver sharp, high-definition footage. With dual cameras and a 16x digital zoom, you can get closer to your subject and capture every detail. The camera's anti-shake technology ensures smooth and stable shots, while the 32 gigabyte SD card and 2 included batteries let you keep shooting longer. Whether you're a beginner or pro, this compact travel camera has everything you need. Number 4. QONGUDS Travel Camera. The QONGUDS 4K digital camera with 16 times digital zoom and anti-shake, full HD 1080p video recording, and 32 gigabytes. Mini compact travel camera is designed for beginners and students who want to explore photography and vlogging. Its 16 times digital zoom and anti-shake technology allow you to capture stunning images and videos with ease, even in motion. The camera records in full HD 1080p, delivering clear and crisp video, perfect for beauty vlogs or travel adventures. Its compact design makes it portable and convenient for on-the-go use. The included 32 gigabyte SD card offers plenty of storage for your memories, while the sleek pink color adds a stylish touch to your gear, ideal for anyone starting their creative journey. Number 5. MINIBEAR Travel Camera. The MINIBEAR 4K digital camera is a perfect choice for beginner photographers and vloggers. With 50 megapixel resolution, this camera captures stunning photos and videos, making it ideal for YouTube and travel content. The 3-inch 180-degree flip screen lets you easily frame your shots or vlog, while the 18x digital zoom ensures you're always ready to capture distant subjects in sharp detail. It also features a flash for low light conditions, providing great versatility in various lighting scenarios. The camera comes with a 64GB TF card, so you can start shooting right away. Compact and user-friendly, this camera is an excellent gift for teens and beginners looking to explore digital photography. Number 6. DJI Travel Camera. Capture your adventures in stunning detail with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo. This 4K action camera features a large 1.3-inch sensor for exceptional image quality, even in low-light conditions. With 12 hours of extended battery life and 3 included batteries, you can keep filming all day without interruption. The advanced stabilization technology ensures smooth, shake-free footage even during high-action moments. Dual OLED touchscreens provide a user-friendly interface, while the mini design makes it easy to carry on all your travels. Perfect for vloggers and travel enthusiasts, the Osmo Action 5 delivers top-tier performance and versatility in a compact package, making it the ideal companion for your next adventure.